guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I am all the way at Bo Waterfall, where we came to just have a view of this famous place, and trust me, it is worth the hype. Like, it is so beautiful, like so beautiful. I'm amazed at the wonders of God. The sky, like, it's such a beautiful weather. The sun is giving, and the place is just beautiful. It seems like it is still under construction, but so far they are doing an extremely good job in upkeeping this place, and the water is just beautiful. Now, let me see. Say hi, guys. So we saw a water snake. This snake looked exactly like the water, and it could swim so well. This is the closest I could get to get a picture of it, because it was lying on the rock. And we were so scared. We were just screaming. This is my first time in a long time seeing a live snake and seeing a snake swim in water. So we shouted, and it caught a lot of people's attention. There were boys around that were fishing, so they came. So these fisher boys came and caught the snake with their bare hands. I'm not even joking. And they even cut off the snake's head and said they're going to eat it. And they even said it is fish because it is in water, so we should not call it a snake. Like, how? Anyways, that's how the snake saga ended. So we are leaving now. Bye. Bye. It was a fun day. Happy birthday, Rachel.